Hub Group Logistics Honest Review Watch before using. Most people get this wrong. They think all logistics providers are the same, but Hub Group specializes in a flexible, multimodal approach that can save businesses time and money. Hub Group offers freight services including truckload, intermodal, and logistics management solutions across North America. One standout feature is their intermodal network, which combines trucking and rail to reduce costs and improve sustainability. For businesses with seasonal demand spikes, Hub Group provides scalable options that can handle both small shipments and full loads efficiently. Most people assume logistics is just about moving goods. The surprising truth is Hub Group emphasizes technology and visibility. Their online platform provides real-time tracking, shipment notifications, and reporting dashboards, so businesses always know where their freight is and how it's performing. Another advantage is customer service. Hub Group assigns dedicated account managers to handle complex shipping needs, coordinate multiple carriers, and optimize routes. This personalized approach can prevent costly delays and ensures your supply chain runs smoothly. However, there are considerations. Pricing may be higher than discount carriers, especially for smaller shipments, and intermodal transit can sometimes be slower than direct trucking. Businesses should evaluate delivery time requirements before choosing the best service option. In conclusion, Hub Group Logistics is ideal for businesses seeking a reliable, technology-driven, and flexible shipping partner. With strong visibility tools and personalized service, they stand out in the logistics industry. Subscribe for more honest logistics reviews before you trust your next shipment to a carrier.